Hello everyone, welcome in Crafting Wheel channel. Today I will show you how to make a round coaster and I hope to admire you. I will start round 1. I will make a magic ring as shown now. I hope that obvious for you the method for how to make a magic ring. I have a video on a channel for how to make a magic ring. You can see it. Then I will show 3 chains as shown now and make 13 double crochet into that ring. And close them with a slip stitch to close the magic ring. I finished round 1 and I will start round 2. I will make 3 chains as shown now and make double crochet into same stitch. Then make 2 double crochet into next stitch. And repeat making 2 double crochet into every stitch across that row, then close with a slip stitch. I finished round 2, then I start round 3. I will make 4 chains as shown now. Then make double crochet into next stitch and make chain. Then make double crochet into next stitch and make a chain. And repeat with same sequence across that row and close with slip stitch as usual to finish round 3. Now I finished round 3 and I'll start round 4. I will make a slip stitch into next stitch as shown now. Then make 3 chains. And make double crochet into the space. Then make 2 double crochet into next spaces as shown now and repeat making 2 double crochet into every space across that row. Now I finished round 4 with the shape, and I will start round 5, and I will make a chain and make single crochet into seam stitch as shown now. Then make single crochet into next stitch and make 2 single crochet into the next stitch, and make single crochet into the next, and repeat with same sequences: single crochet and 2 single crochet into the next, and single crochet and 2 single crochet into the next. Repeat with same sequence across the row, then close with slip stitch. Now I finished round 5, then I will start round 6. I will make 4 chains as shown now. Then skip next stitch and make double crochet into the next, and make a chain and skip next stitch, then make double crochet into the next, and repeat with same sequences across the row, and close with slip stitch as usual to finish round 6. I will start round 7. I will make a chain and make single crochet into first space as shown now. Then make 2 single crochet into every space across the row, then close with slip stitch. I will start round 8. I will make a chain, then make single crochet, then skip next stitch and make 5 double crochet into the next as shown now. I will make 5 double crochet into same place, then skip next stitch and make single crochet into the next, and skip next stitch and make 5 double crochet into same place, then repeat with same sequence across that row and close with slip stitch as usual. Now I finished that round coaster with that shape, and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could subscribe and share and like that video. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you immediately. Thanks for watching.